Your space is one that tells your story. Your desire to have a beautiful space. BeausTile will be part of that story with you. BeausTile has a surface like glass, a sheet of mosaic tile, which can be used to create your very own unique space. The space you desire can be created easily and simply. Peel off the film on the back of the tile and place it where you want. Curved surfaces or columns, even wall corners. The stickers can be folded or bent when applied to these surfaces. You can create the space you desire. Scissors or blades can be used to create the perfect size, allowing quick application. Does it bother you when tiles are placed incorrectly? Don't worry. Even if tiles are peeled off and misplaced, they will not crease or leave behind a sticky residue. Application can be finished neatly. Created with aluminum foil, BeausTile is heat resistant, and stains can be easily removed with water. It will not mold, so it can also be used in kitchens and bathrooms. With unique designs and exceptional quality, BeausTile sticker can be used in all living areas to create your very own customized space. Unidesign is created with all the dreams and passion for design and provided just for you. Please meet BeausTile now.